Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, that is Study with Praveen sir. This is my next video on the series of average. So let's start. Today we will study the type 7 problem on average. Now question number 18. The average age of 24 students and the class teacher is 16 years. If the class teacher's age is excluded, the average reduces by 1 year. What is the age of the class teacher? So now the general method. It is given the average of 24 students and the class teacher is 16 years. That means here A is 16 years and N, that is the number of items, is equal to 24 students plus 1 class teacher, that is equal to 25. So T is equal to A into N, that is equal to 16 into 25, that is equal to 400 years. So the total ages of 24 students and 1 class teacher is equal to 400 years. When the class teacher is excluded, the average age is reduced by 1 year. Here A is equal to 16 minus 1, that is equal to 15 years, and N is equal to 24. So T is equal to A into N, that is equal to 15 into 24. So that is equal to 360 years. Now the total ages of 24 students is equal to 360 years. So the age of teacher is equal to 400. This 400 comes from the total of 24 students plus 1 class teacher minus 360, that is equal to 40 years. Now the trick, age of the class teacher is equal to average age when the class teacher is included plus number of students into age given to each student. Now listen, the increase in average is due to the teacher. That means the teacher has given some ages to the students. So that is equal to, here the average age when the class teacher is included is 16 plus number of students is 24 and the average given to each student is 1. So that is equal to 16 plus 24, that is equal to 40 years. Now the next question, that is question number 19. The average age of 34 boys in a class is 14 years. If the teacher's age is included, the average age becomes 15 years. Find the age of the class teacher. Now the general method. Total ages of 34 boys is equal to A into N. Here A is 14, N is 34. So after multiplying we will get 476 years. Now the total ages when class teacher is included is A into N. Here A is 15 and N is 35 because there are 34 boys plus 1 class teacher, that means 35. So 15 into 35, that is equal to 525 years. So the age of the class teacher is 525 minus 476, that is equal to 49 years. Now the trick, age of the class teacher is equal to average age when class teacher is included plus number of students into age given to each student. That means when the average age when the class teacher is included is 15, there are 34 boys, so 34 into 1, this one comes because when the teacher is included, their average increases by 1 year. So 34 into 1, that is equal to 34. So 15 plus 34, that is equal to 49 years. Now if you have any query or doubt, then write in comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.